last night about how we could somehow make money doing it.
We gotta monetize more.
Facebook?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Facebook or just something.
Yep.
I'd like to monetize 150 pounds or bust.
Well, anybody who can get 30 comments and 1,700 friends like he has in less than a year, there's gotta be some way to monetize it. Well, done more with less. Somebody get this.
We've arrived.
We're living the farm life.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at... No, but there's John Denver in his cowboy hat.
Country road.
Very smart.
Are you videotaping me?
I am.
I'm not eating this. This is not happening.
No, it's happening. It's happening. And you know what? It's okay.
Eat it quickly. She won't see us.
We are at the Omaha Farm Tour potluck dinner, and I'm telling you, I mean, this is what I'm eating, and I'm letting myself eat it, and I'm gonna be okay with it. It's not horrible, probably more than I should eat, but you know what? Like I've always said from the very beginning, it is what it is, and I'm gonna be okay with what I'm eating. It's relatively healthy for the most part, and I'm gonna be all right with that. We're having a great time, right? Woo, woo. Andy made some beer. We're drinking some homemade beer that Andy made.
Look at that.
And it's delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. I think there might be a cookie on her plate. We're not going to show you.
That's the cookie. This is the chicken.
Ooh, where'd you find the chicken?
Jeff gave it to me.
Oh,
He'll
I
find
didn't know
more.
there was
He says
chicken
it's
over
free range, so it should be
I
somewhere
need to
around.
try some. Yes. Ooh, delicious. There's some really amazing food here. So we'll see you tomorrow.